It is great to see you all again at Wealthy Coins. What will the value of 20 million Shiba Inu coins be in the year 2025? SHIB updates. According to recent reports, development on the highly anticipated Shibarium has entered its final phases. Crypto enthusiasts are ecstatic about the unveiling of the Shiba Inu team's Layer 2 blockchain solution testnet. The price of SHIB began to rise immediately upon the announcement of the launch of the Shibarium testnet. As more and more investors purchase Shiba Inu in anticipation of the expected boom following the product's introduction, the rising demand for this coin is a contributing factor to its success. The major issue with Shiba Inu depending on the Ethereum blockchain has been designed and developed into Shibarium. The blockchain solution will enable developers to build on top of the Shiba Inu ecosystem and power it. Consequently, it is a vital utility that continues to increase the Shiba Inu coin's acceptance. What would 20 million Shiba Inu coins be worth in the year 2025? We'll be discussing it in this video. SHIB updates. If you want to see more videos like this one where we predict and analyze the prices of Shiba Inus, be sure to subscribe to our channel, share the video and give it a thumbs up. Now let's get the video started. In the past 7 days, according to CoinGecko, the price of Shiba Inu has increased by 31.2%, and on January 17 it increased by 15.2%, with a price of $0.000012. SHIB is having one of the finest days among the top 100 cryptocurrencies, despite being placed 13th in terms of market capitalization. The 24-hour trading volume of the meme coin also increases by approximately 200%, with the majority of these deals taking place on Binance and Coinbase. After the market leaders' rallies, altcoins typically see large price increases as seen in past market cycles. Like Ethereum and Bitcoin, maybe because investors are putting their money into smaller assets with a lower market capitalization. According to data from CryptoQuant, the volume of SHIB tokens put on exchanges saw a huge surge on January 10 with over 14 trillion tokens being deposited. With today's price increase, it seems like holdings could be better put to use opening derivative positions than of selling them on the spot market. Nonetheless, long positions could start to liquidate, leading to increased volatility if the present SHIB price actions are based on the futures market. The Shiba Inu team just made an announcement about their plans to construct Shibarium, a Layer 2 network that would run on Ethereum, earlier this week. Some people view Shibarium as a tool to drive up prices, although that is not and has never been the initiative's objective, as the developers admitted in its blog post introducing the idea. Instead, the group claims that the ecosystem's tokens will benefit from faster transactions and lower transaction costs thanks to its new Layer 2 network. Throughout January, the price of Shiba Inu surged. However, bigger periods do not display the best bullish indications, therefore it's prudent to proceed with caution. Investors are focusing on the Shiba Inu price because day traders have found multiple good opportunities due to the month's flood of volatility. The technical indicators are pointing north while the market takes a short break. While properly demonstrating grounds for skepticism regarding the uptrend's prospective longevity, Shiba Inu is worth $0.00001037 right now. An unusual situation is shown by the Relative Strength Index (RSI), an indicator that compares and contrasts past pivot points to measure the potential of trends. Overbought conditions were reached above the 70 mark during the recent surge, indicating that the indications are unquestionably bullish on the daily timescale. Regrettably, the increase had little effect on the weekly RSI. There is a concealed bearish divergence, but the spike is still in the neutral zone. This might be a small hint that the market's early bulls are heading for a waterfall where they may have to sell their holdings in the next few weeks. If this is so, the current SHIB price might fall 25% from its previous high of $0.0008008000 if the recent Genesis point fails to hold. Even more intriguing is the possibility that the smart money will assess the future rally potential of SHIB at the liquidity level above the hidden bearish divergence. Shiba Inu's market value might climb by 75% if the price breaks out over $0.00001516, which would put an end to the negative thesis and pave the way for a rally to the August high at $0.00001793. On January 15, 2023, many people praised Shiba Inu in the comment thread, with some even going so far as to say it was better than Dogecoin, the original meme token that was created as a joke on Bitcoin in 2013. There appears to be no indication of a market reversal at this time as SHIB continues its solid upward movement. The sudden surge in value is likely related to recent announcements regarding Shibarium and its inclusion on several major cryptocurrency exchanges. Shiba Inu may have been preparing for a breakout as well. For over 4 days it has been consolidating at the 200-day moving average. This consolidation may have served as an accumulation period leading up to today's breakout. But according to his previous tweets, David Gokhshtein only has Doge and Shiba Inu. Assuming the current price momentum remains dominant in the market, the burning volume is expected to continue rising. OKCoin Japan, a Japanese trading platform and a subsidiary of the San Francisco-based exchange, added support for the second biggest meme coin by market capitalization value in early December. The most recent Shiba Inu coin news indicates that the market is not expected to do much because the adverse tendencies persist. It can be a while before the industry bounces back from this trend. According to many experts, a massive crypto winter is still on the horizon. While some claim that investors will soon see better days, price targets of $0.0000269 could be surpassed with additional push from projects like DAO, Shiba Inu Game, and NFTs. But normal market forces such as buying and selling may push the price as high as $0.0000185. Lastly, the price might drop to $0.0000102 if negative trends continue. A surge of wealthy consumers and widespread renown may be on the horizon as a result of the increasing endorsements from retail and luxury companies. As things stand, retail and investors make up the next largest segments after whales, and the spike effect is clearly seen after that. Having said that, the amount that merchants have helped with has been increasing consistently. As a result, the SHIB price could reach $0.0000361 if buyers step up their orders. However, the price could drop as low as $0.0000305 due to dwindling SHIB statistics and low volumes. The average price may find support at $0.0000250 after taking into account the bullish and bearish targets. Over time, SHIB is anticipated to experience significant growth provided that the designer's ambitious plans materialize and the platform establishes itself as a prominent participant in the metaverse. One possible price point for SHIB is $0.0000437. It is possible that SHIB might trade at an average price of $0.0000377. If the market responds as expected with purchasing and selling pressures. The negative side is that fear, uncertainty, and doubt FUD might drive the price down to $0.0000318 if investors can't handle the digital assets liquidity on exchanges. The current 87% decline from the Shiba Inu price prediction's all-time high of $0.0000845 is distressing. Nevertheless, if the bulls step in, Shiba Inu can reach a realistic high of $0.0000259 before the end of 2023 according to Coinpedia's Shiba Inu price projection. Alternatively, if the meme currency is affected by bearish trends driven by large-scale